Hi, my name is Brian Costa. I'm a part of the We Are POS team, and we built the app called POSME, Point of Sale Made Easy. Let me explain why I'm doing a video and not there in person. Yesterday I actually got married, which is woo, super exciting. But unfortunately that means that I am doing this video to make up for the fact that I can't actually be there. So with that said, one of the things that I'd like to talk to you about is some of the future enhancements that we would like to have for our project, for our app. And some of the things that we were thinking about as we were talking about it was giving our business owners an ability to actually get back data or information from the database. That it was something that we thought was very important for our business owners. If somebody is actually trying to make decisions about their business, they have to have data. I mean, our world today is driven by data in so many ways. So we thought that being able to give back reports to our users was something that would help our app gain a lot of value, not just in the transactional piece, but being able to actually give back to our users what they're inputting in our database. So, things along the lines of number of orders in a day, the users that place those orders, all of the other different data pieces that we're keeping, how many items are being sold in a day, which items are selling the most, all of those types of things are really important for making good business decisions. One of the other things that we wanted to give to our users was the ability to have an admin profile versus an employee profile. Now, the admin profile would be able to adjust inventory, be able to add new items, add new tabs, things along those lines, see the sales page that we would include, whereas the employees would just be able to be transactional. So all they would be doing is, making sales with customers and giving out cash, and that's about it. So with that, we'd also like to potentially add on a credit card sales, allowing our clients' customers to use their credit cards as opposed to cash, because as many of us know, that credit cards are being used way more than cash these days. So it's important to have that as a part of your app. So that is something that we would like to add as a feature enhancement. So let me talk a little bit more about our app specifically. So we decided to use the MERN stack, using that as Mongo, Express, React, and Node, and really allowing all of those pieces to work together in order to actually make our app work. And we found that it actually worked pretty well. We were able to get the information from the database to the front end in React through Express and Node, and really felt like that was actually a really good package for us in our app. So my job specifically was to build out the back end and then get the back end connected to the front end through the different routes, and mostly using Axios on the front end in order to fetch, make the requests, as many of you all know. So that was kind of the thing that I was working on, and some of the struggles that I had was getting the tabs and the items to render on the page correctly. There was a lot of just craziness and a lot of fun trying to figure all of the different routes out and everything. So that was definitely a struggle for me, but being able to come through that, and I think actually really helped me figure out a lot of different things that I wasn't fully understanding until I got to this project. So to answer just kind of like one of the basic questions of how I'm feeling about the project, I feel like this project versus some of the other ones, I felt like I was in control of the code as opposed to the code being in control of me, because it felt like a lot of times in the past that I was just like, I have no idea what's going on. So it felt good to actually feel like, hey, wait, I have some ideas. Maybe we could do this, or this, and try some things out, as opposed to, I hope maybe this will work. So that was a good feeling, absolutely. So thank you for listening. I'll send it off to my teammates, and I hope you guys have the best of luck out there. And if you need anything, feel free to reach out. See you guys.